Hello there, and welcome to 101. I'm Austin. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of stock market investing for beginners. If you're new to this game, don't worry, we've got you covered. In just 1 minute, we'll give you the essential tips to kickstart your investment journey. So, let's get started. 1. Understand the basics. First things first, it's crucial to understand the basics. Stocks represent ownership in a company. When you buy a stock, you're essentially buying a piece of that company. 2. Set clear goals. Next, set clear investment goals. Are you looking to grow your wealth for retirement, buy a house, or something else? Your goals will shape your investment strategy. 3. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Invest in a mix of stocks from different industries to spread risk. 4. Long-term thinking. Think long-term. The stock market can be volatile in the short run. Focus on the big picture and try not to get caught up in day-to-day fluctuations. 5. Do your research. Research is your best friend. Understand the companies you invest in, their financial health, and their future prospects. Read annual reports, watch the news, and stay informed. Start small. You don't need a lot of money to begin. Many online brokers offer low-cost options for beginners. You can learn as you go. Emotional control. Keep your emotions in check. Don't let fear or greed drive your decisions. Stick to your plan and stay disciplined. Learn from mistakes. Mistakes happen, and that's okay. Learn from them. Every successful investor has made their share of errors along the way. And there you have it, a quick guide to stock market investing. Remember, it's a journey, and the more you learn, the better you'll become. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to 101 for more financial tips. Thanks for watching, and happy investing.